Preventing enemy overlap with Rectangle2D in Java games. When creating a game like a Vampire Survivor clone, properly handling enemy collisions is crucial to prevent multiple enemies from stacking or overlapping in unnatural ways. Overlapping enemies not only look visually odd but can also break game mechanics reliant on collision detection. The problem: enemies are represented by Rectangle2D hitboxes that currently move freely toward the player. This movement allows enemies to pass over or overlap each other's space. Existing collision code attempts to push enemies apart after they overlap, which causes them to continuously push each other back and forth, an unnatural and jittery behavior. Objective: prevent enemies from overlapping beyond a slight stacking offset by adjusting movement so they don't collide in the first place. Modern approach: predictive collision handling before movement. Instead of moving enemies and then fixing overlaps, calculate their potential next position and check if it causes a collision. If yes, adjust their movement to maintain separation. Step-by-step solution: calculate intended movement vector. Create a hypothetical hitbox at the next position. Check collision against other enemies using their hitboxes. Iterate through all enemy hitboxes. Skip self. If delta hitbox intersects an enemy's hitbox, calculate separation vector. Adjust position to maintain minimum separation distance. Apply movement after adjustments. Why this works: it prevents enemies from reaching overlapping positions by adjusting their movement vectors ahead of time. The approach is simple, efficient, and works even with multiple enemies. No continuous pushing effects occur because movements are clamped before applying. Tips for further improvement: use separate velocity vectors and resolve collisions based on forces or impulses for smoother physical responses. Consider using a spatial partitioning system, like a grid or quad tree, to optimize collision checks for many enemies. Allow minor overlap visually or add a small buffer zone to prevent enemies from stacking exactly on each other. By making these predictive adjustments using Rectangle2D during enemy movement, your game will achieve natural enemy behavior without jittery collisions or unwanted overlap.